Political sparks are flying between Kerala and Karnataka over Bengaluru's demolition drive. Karnataka Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has accused the Karnataka Congress government of running a bulldozer raj after hundreds of families were evicted. Karnataka leaders have hit back. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said that they are safeguarding public land and not bulldozing homes. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah called Vijayan's remarks politically motivated, and Kerala Rajya Sabha MPs also visited the site and lashed out at the Congress government. Meanwhile, Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal has spoken directly to Siddaramaiah and Shivkumar. He said that such actions should have been carried out with far greater caution, sensitivity and also compassion, keeping the human impact at center. Have a look.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಲ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈಗ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋರು. ಸೊ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾನವೀಯತೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಸತಿ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ.
Congress government headed by Siddaramaiah has failed on many fronts, whether it's Dharmasthala issue, whether it's a hate speech bill, and also on corruption issue. Day by day corruption is increased. Recently, 14.5 crores has been seized at Sarfraz Khan, who was the private secretary, who is the private secretary of Zamir Ahmad. People should not question this corrupt Congress government. Bharatiya Janata Party, we are going to expose this Congress government, the failures of the Congress government.
Very unfortunate that senior leaders like Pinarayi should know the fact of what is the issue in Bangalore. Some people, they have encroached. It is a waste dump site. We have given them opportunity to go to their some new places. They have encroached, all of a sudden they have encroached. So it is a quarry pit for a solid waste management. Senior like Pinarayi should not interfere with such type of affairs.